Hi, John. How are you today?
Hi, Jessica. I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. Today, let's help everyone learn English in a simple way.
Great idea. Let's start with a common question.
John, how do you ask someone about their day?
It's easy. You can say, "How are you?"
And if someone asks, how are you, how can you answer?
You can say, "I'm fine, thank you." "I'm great." "I'm doing well." "Not bad."
That's easy. Now, everyone, repeat after us.
"How are you?"
I'm doing well, thank you.
Excellent. In the next part, we'll learn how to introduce yourself in English.
That's one of the first skills every English learner should know.
John, what's the first thing you say when you meet someone?
I usually say, "Hi, my name is John."
Great. And I can say, hello, my name is Jessica.
Then you can ask, "What's your name?"
If someone asks me that, I answer, my name is Jessica.
Another natural way is, "I'm John."
Let's practice.
"Hi, my name is John."
What's your name? Hello, I'm Jessica. Nice to meet you.
"Nice to meet you too."
Now, everyone, repeat after us. Hi, my name is. What's your name? I'm. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too.
Practice these sentences every day and introducing yourself will become easy.
In the next part, we'll learn how to ask and answer, where are you from?
To be continued.
Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to learn how to ask someone where they're from.
This is a very common question when you meet someone for the first time.
John, how do you ask it?
You can simply say, "Where are you from?"
Great. John, where are you from?
I'm from Canada. What about you, Jessica?
I'm from Australia.
You can also ask, "Which country are you from?"
And you can answer. I'm from Bangladesh. I'm from the United States. I'm from India. I'm from Japan.
Let's practice together.
Hi, my name is Jessica. What's your name?
I'm John. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. Where are you from?
I'm from Australia.
Excellent. Now it's your turn. Repeat after us. "Where are you from?" "I'm from." "Which country are you from?" "I'm from Bangladesh."
Keep practicing these sentences out loud every day.
In the next part, we'll learn how to ask and answer, "What do you do?" and talk about jobs.
To be continued.